to our performance. And tonight, you're going to have a little different experience in here. Unless you've been here before, then you know what to expect. We're going to read the story, The Doorbell Rang. Now, this is a wonderful story. It has a lot of math in it, and it's very simple text. We could read this story in 3 minutes and be done, but we need more time than that. So as usual, in this room, we are going to give our adaptation of The Doorbell Rang. So sit down and enjoy the show.
Mommy, we're home! Hey, Mom! Hi, Mommy!
Welcome home. How was school? Was it good?
Good, I'm hungry.
Well, wait, take off your backpack, wash your hands. You know the routine.
Okay,
Let's go. Wash those hands. I want to hear it 30 seconds.
Ready, put it on.
Sing those ABCs.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
All
now
right.
I know my ABC. Next time will you sing with me?
You never guess. Are you hungry? Did you eat your lunch?
Starving, but I don't like bologna anymore.
When did you eat your lunch?
I ate the cheese, but I didn't eat the crust. No bologna.
Well, I hope, did you eat your lunch? Yes. Because I have something for you.
Good, Mommy, I'm hungry.
I have cookies for you.
We're starving.
I do. I have them.
Well,
I have to share them among you. Let me get them. Let me get them.
Oh, something smells good. Is it the chocolate chip? I hope the chocolate chip. I love chocolate chip. Did you eat chocolate chips from the oven? Oh,
I'm gonna put it on chocolate chips.
Oh, look at those cookies.
Are you hungry?
I'm
All
starving.
right, you're going to share them between yourselves.
Oh, that. Oh, I wonder. Let's see. Oh, they smell good.
And they look good.
They look as good
but
as
they're-
Grandma's.
Oh, but they're not as good as your grandmother's. They're not as good as your grandmother's.
Oh, let's see how many cookies each we get.
Oh, hello! I am Maisie Mathematician, and I have a very important job here tonight. You see, the players, that's what they're called. They're like actors, but we can call them players too. The players, they don't always get their math correct. So my job is to make sure they do it right. So, I need a vote. Would you be a volunteer, please? Would you just come right here? Oh, good. Stand right there. Oh, and would you be a volunteer too? Just stand right there. Let's see how many children we have. We have 1, 2 children. Oh, and there are 12 cookies. I forgot to tell you that little tidbit. 12 cookies and 1, 2 children. Let's see how many cookies each they will get. Hold up your hand and hold. Oh, you are so good. You would think they practiced for that. Now let's see. We have 1 for you. 1 for you. Oh dear, that one doesn't have a tape. 1 for you. And 1 for you. And, oh, that tape really sticks. 1 for you. And, oh boy, this is hard work for a mathematician. 1 for you. Maybe I should do this one on this side again. 1 for you. And, oh boy. 1 for you. Oh no, don't go cheating on me now. And 1 for you. Oops. Oh dear, would you just hold. Oh, hold still, will you? Oh my goodness. 1 for you and 1 for you. And let's just put this one here. 1 for you. And dear me, I didn't put a tape on one, but don't you worry, I'm a smart cookie. 1 for you and 1 for you. good. Now, I think it's the same number. Yes. How many cookies each should they get? Let's see. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6,
How many each?
7.
Oh dear, think again. Let's count. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many?
7.
Yeah, you are so smart. So, I need these cookies back, please. I'm sorry, cannot let you have them. Okay, thank you so much for being helpers. Now, you can sit down. So they need 6 cookies each. Don't you forget that, okay? Toodaloo.
There's 6 cookies each. Oh, Sam. Mommy, we need dishes. Mommy.
I'm gonna get you some dishes.
And I'm thirsty. How about you?
Are you thirsty? Here's some dishes.
Thirsty.
Here, one for you.
Oh, they're sticking together.
And one for you. And I'll get the drinks. Oh, and the cookies are out.
Oh,
How do they smell?
look, he made something at school.
Oh, wonderful. Is it a bookmark? Beautiful.
I went to the library today.
Did you take out a book?
Oh, no, you're giving it to me. Thank you.
They just are wonderful. They share.
Oh, look, those cookies. They smell good as Grandma's.
Oh, but they're not as good as your grandmother's. Oh, no. They're not.
Ding dong.
Are we expecting anyone?
I don't know.
Oh, let me go see. Oh, hi. Welcome. Hannah and Tom are here.
Hi, Tom.
Come to play with us. How are you? That's good. They're not going to play. Put your plates down. You know better.
Okay.
Are you hungry?
Very.
Are you hungry? All right. Tom, are you hungry? Are you hungry? Yes. Would you like some cookies?
I'm thirsty. Want some juice?
You can have some juice. Help yourself to a cup. All right.
Thank you.
All right. How's everybody doing? How's school?
Good.
Are we learning anything new? Anything? No?
I'm waiting for cookies.
All right.
Oh, what are you going to do?
Oh, get that cup off of your mouth.
Oh, can you do that?
All right. How many cookies?
Oh, let's figure that out.
Guess who? It's Maisie Mathematician! And we have some changes here. So we have to figure out what the answers are. Oh my. Let's count and see how many children there are first. You help me count, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 children. Wonderful. You are so smart. Now I need a volunteer. Would you mind being a volunteer? And sir, would you mind being a volunteer? Yes, just come right over here to the volunteer corner. Right there. Let's see. So we have 1, 2. Oh, Maisie Mathematician is very smart. 3, 4. Now we have 4 children. And how many cookies? 12. Let me see how many each they get. Oh dear, let's see. 1 for you. 1 for you. 1 for you. 1. Oh, I forgot the other children. 1 for you and 1 for you. I better do that this way. 1, 2, 3. Oh dear, I better go back to sleep. 4. And 1, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if this is 1 child, how many cookies should they get?
3.
Oh, you are so smart! Thank you. I need to take the cookies back. I'm so sorry. So each child will get 3 cookies. Oh my goodness! 3. Remember that number and listen careful. Make sure they don't get it wrong. 3.
That's 3 cookies each.
Yay!
I can't wait to have those cookies. They smell good. Just wait, I have to pour your drinks.
Okay.
But remember, they're not as good as your grandmother's. They're just not.
No, but they smell good.
Smell
They're
really
not-
good.
I know, but they're.
Ding dong!
Oh, somebody's at the door.
Let me go see.
Thank you, Sam.
Oh, hi! It's Kylie and her brother.
Kylie Gage!
Hi,
Hi!
Take a seat.
Hi, Kylie! Ooh, now we
Welcome.
can play tag now. What do you think? We have almost enough. Oh, hide and seek.
So what's going on? Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
Would you like a snack?
Yeah.
Well, if you're okay with your mom, if you have a snack before dinner, I just baked some cookies, and if you'd like some, I'll give you a plate. Oh, good. We already have the plate. Would you like a drink? I'm serving tea. All right, great. How many cookies?
What'd you do at school today, Kylie?
Well, I saw this kid named Adam. He filled his mouth with grapes and then he spit them out. You know the other part of the story. You were right there too.
I know, it's funny. The kid sitting next to me. He laughed so hard his milk came out of his nose.
Oh my goodness. Well, you better not do that here.
Oh, well, then don't make me laugh too hard, okay?
They do, but they aren't as good as Grandma's, let me tell you.
Ding dong!
Who is that?
I bet you thought we forgot to count. We didn't forget to count. Maisie, mathematician, but you already know me, don't you? Oh dear, I need some volunteers. First, let me find out how many I need. How many children? Let's see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, we're at 4 still. Isn't this dude's shirt so cool?
Yes.
5, 6. Oh, 6 children. Oh, I've got a volunteer. Thank you for volunteering. One right here. Oh, we'll bring you up again. Oh, that's just... Oh, I bet you thought you'd get away with it, didn't you? Come on up. We need the grown-ups. They have such big hands. Oh, my. Come on, Dad. Right over to the volunteer corner. I love having a volunteer corner. And here we go. Wait a minute. How many children do we have? 6. But wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I did that really well, didn't I? When you get big, you can go to school and be a mathematician like me, and you'll be able to do this too. Okay, here we go. 1 for you. 1 for you. Oh, 1 for you. 1 for you. Oh, you come back for a second time. 1 for you. And 1 for you. But I have more cookies left. Let's do that again. 1 for you. 1 for you. 1 for you. Oh, this is so much fun. 1 for you. 1 for you. And 1 for you. Now remember, each hand is a child. So let's just look at this very handsome hand right here and tell me how many cookies each child will get. 2. Oh, you are so smart. 2. I'm going to put that back in my pocket. And I have to collect my cookies. I know you're hungry, but I'm very sorry. I might need them later. You never know. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. And thank you, madame. Oh. Oh. Being, oh. Almost mathematician is very hard work. But remember, what's the number we need?
2.
Let's see if they say the same number.
That's 2 for each.
2 for each. I can't wait to get yummy cookies in my tummy. How about you? You want
That's
cookies?
why.
I want cookies. I'm thirsty. I'm tired of waiting for these cookies. Hey, those cookies smell as good as Grandma's. They do, but they're not as good as your Grandma's. I told you. Who is here now? Uh-oh. Hi, it's Joy and Simon.
Oh,
Joy and Simon, yippee, 4 cousins. Hi, Joy. Hi, Simon. Take a seat. Hi, cousins. Don't be shy. Take a seat. Hi, cousins. All right, take a seat. Take a seat. How is everyone doing? Anyone want to share anything? Anything happened today at school?
Today in school, I learned how to stack blocks.
You did? How many?
I did 6.
Yay! And what about you?
Oh, I just noticed the time is just going by. So I decided that I would just kind of cut in the middle of their conversation. And we need to figure out how many children there are now. You better get your counting mouth going because here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hold that number 8. Oh boy, being a mathematician, you need to be able to move. 9.
10, 11, 12.
Now, you guys are so smart, I don't think I need my cookies now. Because if there are 12 children, would you shut that door, please? If there are 12 children and 12 cookies, how many cookies each do they get?
1.
Oh! That was a brilliant answer. Thank you, Ron. Brilliant. Give yourselves a pat on the back. Now, I better run because the show must go on. Toodaloo.
That's 1 cookie each. Yeah, we have more cookies now. All right. I better give you them before the doorbell rings again. Those cookies.
They smell good too, and I really want one now.
And they look so good, but they're not as good as Grandma's. I told you that. Oh, they're good. They look good. Can we have one? Would you like a cookie?
Yes.
Would you like a cookie?
No. Not right now yet.
Why, did you hear the doorbell? Life be for life.
It is. I'm so happy there are so many friends here because I made a fresh batch of cookies.
Now we can have some cookies.
And nobody makes cookies like Grandma. Sorry, guys. Now, that was, did you like it?
Yeah.
Clap, we like to clap. Now, I have to tell you, Grandma did make cookies, and I am a grandma. So I have one for each of you if you like a cookie, okay? So I'm going to tell you that the next crew is waiting to come in. So thank you for coming to the show. Would you help me get this out of my head? Thank you for coming to the show. And grab your cookie on the way out.
Okay.
Thank you. Hope you enjoyed it.